When you build your electricity fence with poly wire or tape, you could use this plastic wire strainer. It is suitable for poly wire of 6.2 mm and 15.6 mm wide poly tape. It contains UV protection, lightweight and portable, has hardness and wear resistance. The surface is so smooth, it will not hurt your fingers. When tightening, only use your hand, require no other tools. A crawling sound means screw into position. Once the line is fixed, it will not easy to loosen. It works well, but it couldn't work from the middle of the wire. If you want, you could use this kind of wire strainer. When tightened, slip the line into the gap, then start to tighten. If you feel this position is okay, then fix it. You see, so easy.